Let's face it, stuff gets dirty. And cleaning that stuff kind of sucks. But what if we added some horsepower to the cleaning? And then kicked it up a notch to make it faster with this week's feature product, the foaming pressure washer soap from Primrose. One of the best reasons to use a foaming pressure washer soap is because, as the name suggests, it foams up. And applying a sudsy, air-filled foam to a dirty truck allows the soap to cling to the surface longer, giving the chemicals more time to penetrate all that dirt and grime, eventually lifting them away from the painted finish. From there, you just rinse away the dirt and soap, revealing a freshly cleaned vehicle. Now imagine there's a fleet of vehicles coming in from a job site that all need to be cleaned. Bet you're grateful that you don't have to use a wash mitt and bucket. Using a foaming pressure washer soap, like this one from Primrose, will significantly improve your cleaning time and overall quality. But the applications don't just stop with vehicles. Because foam can cling to vertical surfaces better, it can be used on buildings and garages too. Allowing the soap to penetrate longer will ensure a better clean. But what if you've got some heavy-duty machinery that's been playing in the mud all day? Well, Primrose also has heavy-duty pressure washer soap, which has been formulated to expertly remove grease, grime, and mud. And it can even remove soot from exhaust stacks. With the best part being that it's environmentally friendly and can be used right in the work field. Be sure to check out the whole line of Primrose automotive cleaning products to ensure that your vehicles and equipment are sparkling clean every day of the week. But if you want to save time and energy, make sure to spray some Primrose foaming pressure washer soap on your trucks today. Let me know what you're using to clean your trucks and equipment in the comments below. And be sure to check back to the channel regularly to learn all about our feature products. Have a good week.